Guys, today we're gonna be going over my Amuse 370 Nissan Z, and then this
Mine's got a lot more going on.
This one's just some stock bony Nismo repper.
No, I got raised on the wheels.
Mr. What's Good Garage over here.
They can't see
who's
the
not
rays.
even good.
They can't see the rays.
So it's got the full Amuse kit, fenders, skirts, the bumper, the wing. Makes this car look pretty good compared to a stock one.
From this angle, it looks like a poverty spec.
Yeah, it's the broke boy spec. We got the eBay front lip, but it makes it look way better because eBay is king. Rings I'm running on this thing, I'm running the KW V3s, so I can get some pretty good fitment. The front ones are currently blown out, so I'm gonna have to send those out to get rebuilt before the next road trip. Me and the Mr. Daniel here.
I was saying we're gonna flip a coin and go to America or Europe.
Yeah, we'll do that in the fall, so stay tuned, just like Androgenic. Wheels are some HREs, 19s.
But this is what guys do when they can't afford the Nismo. They start racing.
Yeah, you guys want to see? You guys want to see the Nismo? Look at this. You guys ready? You guys ready? Oh, up badge Nismo. Oh, man.
Oh.
Anyways, this one here, if we come to the interior, look at this. Oh, white leather. It's black because I've been sitting in it with my dirty ass coveralls. So yeah, we still got salt from the salt flats in Utah as well. That shit don't come out. 5% tint everywhere. Besides the shield, I got to do the shield next because it just looks weird without it. We're gonna get Mr. Boy here to get the Alibaba kit going on his.
Fuck, I need new tires, man.
What do you guys? Is this?
The other side's way worse.
Bro, those aren't even bad. Those aren't even bad.
You can tell by the broken metal, they're bad.
Mr. Daniel's ripping around on some nice studded tires here. Self-made studded.
I don't know what happened, yeah.
How did you do that, sir?
I don't know what happened, man. I was just driving and mileage.
Oh, you'll get that on those big jobs.
Mileage, man.
We got some bald ass tires on this one too. Nice draggy slicks on the front. Got some cheapest ones I could find online on the back. But yeah, this is the spec. Subscribe to the video. Give it a like. I'll put in a